How to preview your design. You can preview your design at any time. The preview button creates a flipbook to view your design like a book. Step 1. To view your preview, click the preview button at the top right. This will load the preview. Please note, this may take a few moments to load up, depending on the size of your book and number of images. Step 2. To view your pages, simply click the arrows at the edge. These will move the pages forward and backwards. You can jump to any page by using the page numbers at the bottom of the preview. Step 3. To close the preview, click the X button in the top right. You will be returned to the Design Studio view.